Alright. Hello guys, my name's Kit, and today I'm going to show you how to get the back casing off of the Axon 7 Mini. So the trick that I'm going to be using here should apply also to the Axon 7. I know I've certainly done it before on this phone, so yeah, you could try this trick on the Axon 7 as well. So first, what we're gonna do is just peel off the back casing a little bit. We need to create some kind of room or gap to open it up. Okay, so here you go. This was actually pretty quick. So I put this here. I'll show you the tool that I used. So I used this. I'm not sure what this is called. X-Acto knife, flat edge, to get into the edges in between and then lifted it up. Alright, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and put in, oh, I need to do that again. Okay, oh, so I'm gonna go ahead, oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in this guitar pick here to hold it in place. And now the trick that I'm gonna do is gonna involve two of these. Okay, so we're gonna put one in the front, like so. Then we're gonna put one on the back, like so. Then next we're just gonna push it out, like that. Cool. And yeah, so the back casing just came off. Now I could take out these connectors here and then replace the battery. Yeah. Right, so that's basically it. For the Axon 7 Mini, just be careful of the ribbon cables going in through the middle. The sides are actually pretty safe, but you don't want to go in too deep or else you might damage the cable. So like up to here is good, and up to here is also pretty good. And yeah, that's basically that's pretty much it. And yeah, you could also apply this to the Axon 7. I've done it before here and it worked pretty well too. Just be aware that you need to take out the screws. So for the Axon 7 Mini, there's 2 screws on the top here, and then there's also 4 on the bottom. So there's one here, 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 and here. I know this one usually gets people because it's pretty well hidden when you first remove it. So make sure to remove this the screw right here. And is it focusing? Nope, it is not. Okay, so yeah, remember to remove this screw right there. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.